Hey people, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're well and in good health. Okay, right now we are on the cusp of the new year going into 2024. Just a few hours away right now, going into this evening, midnight, and then moving into the New Year's Day, 1st of Jan, Monday, start of the week. So we'll be interested to see how things go with that. But right now we're on CoinMarketCap. So let's refresh it to get the latest information. Oh, nice. So currently we are on the global crypto market cap of 1.67 trillion. So it's gone up by 1.43% in the last 24 hours. Nice. Okay. So the greed and fear index, you can see the fear and greed index there. Currently at 68, which is good. So Bonk is trending at number one right now. Interesting. So you've got, well, that was the meme coin of Solana, which exponentially grew, and maybe it was one of the reasons why Solana coin was rallying as well. So currently Bitcoin's at 42,557, 43 cents. It's gone down slightly by 0.19% in the last hour. It's gone up over the last 24 hours by 1.63, and it's down by 2.49% in the last 7 days, but up on the 30-day marker by 12.71%. Now, if we scroll down here, let's take a look at Solana. So currently, Solana has still maintained its position above the $100 mark. Currently, it's at $104.10. It has gone up in the last 24 hours by 1.74%, slightly down on the hour, and on the 30-day marker, a whopping 73.41% increase there. So that's great. So let's take a look further down. Got XRP up on the last 24 hours by 0.61%. At 0.6243. Then you've got Avalanche, which was also, skyrocketing, currently at $40.07, just over the $40 mark. Gone up by 2.72% in the last 24 hours. And then let's take a look further down. Shiba Inu, our favorite meme coin, it's 0.401055. Gone up on the last hour and the last 24 hours, which is nice. Oh, and what have we got here? So we've got ICP, Internet Computer, ICP there. That has actually moved up now. It's moved above Litecoin and the Diacoin down there to position number 17. So it's currently at $13.36. Has gone down slightly in the last hour, but look at the 24-hour marker. It's gone up by a third, 33% there, 33.36. And if we look over across to the 30-day marker, that's over 196.16 is showing there right now. That is absolutely amazing. So those who were invested in that have seen great returns on that. Litecoin, which is one of my favorites actually, is currently, it's still it's holding its ground, but it's not really, not much movement to the upside at the moment. $73.74, only up by 3.77%. Well, it keeps moving between 6 and 3%, but around about 6%, just over 6% in the last 30 days. It was up on the last 7 days and 24 hours, and then slightly down in the last hour. Bitcoin Cash has done really well as well, up nearly 20% in the last 30 days. Uniswap, we did a video about that early on. That could rise due to a few reasons there. So check out that video on our video section on our channel. And that has gone up by just under 30%, around the 28% of mark on the last 30 days. Okay, so let's head over to TradingView. So let's take a look at Bitcoin right now. So currently we are on the 1-day marker here. So on the 1-day marker, we can see that the top here, it's basically Sunday 31st. It was at $42,879. And then if we head over to the 5-day marker, let's have a look at the top here. So at the top there, you're looking at $43,799. Now, if you look at the bottom, just over here, 41,380, so 41,380. That was on the 5-day marker. If you look over across the month, so let's have a look at the top. So we're looking at, hang on a second, right, 44,611, so 44,611 on the month marker there, and then lows down here of 37,537, That's across the month, and then it goes. It'll tell you the 3 month, 6 month, and the year trend, 1 year, 5 year as well. Let's go back to the 1 day, but you can see here how it's come back slightly over the day, which is great. So if you go back to the crypto markets here, let's just quickly refresh that. Right, let that refresh. So it's up by 1.39% now. So Bitcoin there, it's gone up in the last, like I said, 24 hours by 1.72%. Now we do have the Bitcoin halving coming potentially around about April next year. Well, next year's only a few hours away, but let's say about 4 months away. So sometime during that period, nobody knows exactly when, but sometime during that period in April, we will see the Bitcoin halving. And then traditionally, if we look at the stages of the last previous halvings, the prices have rallied. And then going into 2025, we could see a huge rally, a huge bull run, because obviously the blocks on the Bitcoin will be reduced, as they have been doing, so the supply will be less, and that should help increase the price. And obviously, where Bitcoin goes, many other altcoins follow. So you'll see other coins following Bitcoin potentially as well with rallies. So something to look into going forward now over the coming months. So if you are going to be investing in cryptocurrencies, maybe now's the time is to look into where you need to put your investment. Don't forget, it can be a volatile space. So always do your own financial due diligence and make sure you're aware of where you're spending money and what the risks are. It can be a high risk investment, but the rewards can also be fruitful as well. So you need to know, do your own due diligence and financial checks before investing. Okay, people. Well, this is the last crypto update latest news video of the year 2023. I hope you've enjoyed our crypto videos during this year. We will try and bring you lots more, so don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment below, let us know what you think. Join the channel, support the channel by clicking the join button, support us on Patreon, link in the description. Click the subscribe button and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, people, let's go into the new year 2024 and make some guala.